I open the kitchen door. I open the kitchen door. I turn on the light. I turn on the light. I wash my hands. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I take out the milk. I put the milk on the table. I take a cup from the shelf. I make a cup of coffee. I add sugar to my coffee. I stir my coffee. I sit at the table. I drink my coffee. I take out some bread. I put bread in the toaster. I wait for the toast. I take the toast. I put butter on the toast. I eat my toast. I wash the plate. I dry the plate with a towel. I open the cabinet. I take out a pan. I put the pan on the stove. I turn on the stove. I add oil to the pan. I crack an egg into the pan. I cook the egg. I put the egg on a plate. I add salt to the egg. I eat my breakfast.